am Danny, and welcome to my channel, Danovator, where my experiences become your adventure. Today, we're going to explore IKEA that's near Memphis, Tennessee. Remember to please subscribe and please hit that bell so you'll be notified when I release my next adventure. Well, let's go and explore. IKEA is a Swedish-owned store that is famous for selling ready-to-assemble furniture, among other household items. This is my first time exploring an IKEA store. You're first greeted with this mural, which has a glimpse of what I would imagine is the Memphis Queen. And I was told the buggies had these cool little side-to-side and around little movements to them. IKEA is a unique shopping experience. You will navigate through all of its displays and departments. Here is the starting point. All you have to do is follow the arrows on the floor. Just highly detailed displays. And in the displays, I noticed there's a lot of stuffed animals. These rooms make you feel that you just walked into somebody's house. Shh, he's sleeping. What's hiding out in this tent? It looks like somebody took a nap in this bed. The attention to detail in these displays is astounding. Here's the kitchen. And here's the bathroom. This area here has a few bunk beds, kids' beds. This area is known as workspaces and is where this cool display is at. The barber shop. By providing these realistic settings, you can get great ideas on how to set up your own spaces. All this barbershop display needs is a barber. Has anyone seen Kitty? There he is. It's amazing what you can do with LEDs these days. The biggest playground is never far away. Now look at this room. This amazing bedroom setup would have to be every kid's dream. Halfway through your journey through IKEA is this food court. Our adventure continues. This place has everything that you could think of. And behind door number 1, it says cowhide. It feels like leather. It reminds me of the movie The Revenant. Sheepskin. I am not certain if this is authentic fur, but it sure feels like it. They have green rugs, blue rugs, and red rugs. IKEA Memphis. Here's some cats and dogs hanging out. Here's a nice little place for your cat to sleep. This area is the lighting area. Look at these lights. They remind me of those hot air balloons from my Cordial video. Lamps. Lamps. And more lamps. These lamps remind me of the Death Star in Star Wars. Boo! Now this is a freaky display. Severed hand wall mounts. Exiting IKEA's last department, it is here that you retrieve any large items that weren't available in the regular showroom. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed my video today exploring IKEA. If you did, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. And always remember, your adventure awaits with the Danovator.